The perfect banana bread recipe, vegan if you want, high protein if you like, but definitely delicious and addictive. Start with 3 ripe bananas and mash them until they're completely smooth. Add 2 grams of salt, 12 grams of baking powder, and 60 grams of agave syrup, or any liquid sweetener you prefer, like date, rice, or maple syrup. Next, add 200 grams of flour. I love using whole grain spelt flour. If you want a high protein version like I'm making today, just swap 60 grams of that flour for 60 grams of protein powder. I usually go with unflavored whey, but flavored or vegan powders work perfectly too. Pour in 150 grams of your milk of choice, plant-based or regular both work great. Give it a quick stir with a fork first, so the flour doesn't fly everywhere, then blend everything together with a hand mixer. Add some chocolate chunks if you want. Pour the batter into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius top and bottom heat for about 35 to 40 minutes. Enjoy it warm straight out of the oven, or let it cool and store it in the fridge to keep it nice and moist. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way soon.